but my phone died and I'm not home. I probably wouldn't even pick it up when you call. I'm stressing about the messages from people I don't know. Quit messing with me, you can leave your message at the tone. Thinking about going off the grid, just getting a flip phone, moving through the sticks and living within a dead zone. No service, no, I don't get it. I'm living with this tension and I don't wanna admit it. Too much commitment, I just wanna quit it. I find myself too deep in this hole that I've been digging. Give me a minute, the beginning and ending. I'm out of sight, out of mind. You can call me on my flip phone, leave a message after that tone. I'll probably never call you back. I'll probably never call you back. Try to find me on my flip phone, didn't even hear my ringtone. I'll probably never call you back. Yeah, I'll probably never call you back, no. Gone so far away. You can call me on my flip phone, leave a message after